Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh man, I got a sweet tooth. Can you do it?
That's when you're gonna need a root canal.
I love sugar. Oh,
This one for all the nice, clean, decent women.
lay it on me,
Pay
girl.
close attention.
She put that sugar on my tongue. She's gonna give me some. She put it right there on my tongue. She put it right there on my tongue.
And give me some of your butter pecan. Put it right there on the tip of my tongue. Hold it right here. Cause baby, if I bite you, I bet you'll like it. French vanilla is a hell of a flavor for me. With strawberry, 2 cherries, and whipped cream. The best dreams are the wet dreams. And the rest is just a flick without a sex scene. Orally, I speak the truth. Cause the blacker the berry, the sweeter the juice. Cause Florida oranges and Georgia peaches, when they nice and ripe, they the best for eating. All southern boys be craving for a whole slice of pie after they main course. So if you game for it, I came for it. I got a thing for you that I can't ignore.
That sugar on my tongue. She's gonna give me some. She put it right there on my tongue. She put it right there on my tongue. She put that sugar on my tongue. She's gonna give me some. She put it right there on my tongue. She put it right there on my tongue. Yippee, yippee, yum, yum. Goody, goody, gum drop, put me in a tongue lock. Did it till my body went numb, numb. Later on her back, turn around, gave her bottom a smack, smack. She's a woman from the block with the best of weed, but I won't stop till I'm pulling out tracks. It was lust at first sight, and she couldn't help saying that she wanted to get with me, and my size was just right. Plus she wanted a man with a little security. Said I've been around the world twice, and my name ring bells from Atlanta to Sicily. Said she wanted it all night, so put the bubbles in the tub and ludicrous in me. That sugar on my tongue. She's gonna give me some. She put it right there on my tongue. She put it right there on my tongue. She put that sugar on my tongue. She's gonna give me some. She put it right there on my tongue. She put it right there on my tongue. Sweetie, you look so incredible and so delicious and so damn edible. All I need is some honey or syrup with a little butter to rub down all your curves. And no need for the lemonade, just a twist of lime and some great Kool-Aid. Can I call you caramel? Cause I'm about to go cool to taste your cocoa puff. One bowl ought to fill me up, but the milk gotta be cold enough. So supper time ought to hold me up. I might choke myself if I don't slow it up. But honey, you look like a honeydew melon, a strawberry with a whipped cream filling, or the top part of the peach cobbler butter. Fruit powder ought to do me better.